Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Dear students, welcome to the online class of English Noor School and College Mansehra. I am Maryam Nawaz, your English teacher. Today it's time to take your class. Pay attention on your lesson, please. Dear students, as you know that in the previous lecture we have learned about manners at the dining table. So what should we do before going to dining table? We should always wash our hands before and after every meal. Chew food with your mouth closed. Always drink water while sitting. Eat food with your right hand. Always remember to say Bismillah and Alhamdulillah. Cover your mouth if you have to sneeze or burp. Then we have discussed about manners at home. That what should we do at our home? Keep your home neat and clean. Help your parents, grandparents and siblings in the house. When guests or neighbors come, greet them with a smile. Say sorry if you have done something wrong. Hold the door open for someone coming in, especially if they are carrying something. Okay students, now today open your books, page number 43. Today we are going to learn about manners at school and manners at the market. Okay, so students, take off your pencils in your hands and underline all new words in terms of meaning and pronunciation. Okay, manners at school. Manners at school. Greet and respect your teachers. G-R-E-E-T, greet. A-N-D-N-R-E-S-P-E-C-T, peck. Respect. Greet mean मिलें, सलाम करें. Greet mean मिलना या सलाम करना. Respect इज्जत से. Respect mean इज्जत. Your teachers. Teachers mean उसातिज़ा. Teachers उसातिज़ा. Share your things with your classmates. S-H-A-R-E, share, बांटें. Share mean बांटना. Share mean बांटना. Your things. Things mean चीज़ें. With your classmates. Classmates mean class fellow, class के साथी. हम जमाती या साथी. R-E-T-U-R-N, return. Return things you borrow. Return things you borrow. Return mean वापस करना. Return mean वापस करना. Things चीज़ें. Borrow, take and use. Borrow, take and use, उधार लेना. जब आप क्लास में किसी से पेंसिल बारो करते हैं या शार्पनर बारो करते हैं, फ़ौरन आप यूज़ करके उसे वापस कर देते हैं. ठीक है. Return things you borrow. Borrow mean उधार लेना. Listen to your teachers carefully. Listen means सुने. Listen, सुने. T is silent here. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. सुने. To your teachers carefully. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, fully. Carefully, एहतियात से. Carefully, एहतियात से. Ask permission before going to the washroom or to drink water. Ask permission before going. Permission mean इजाज़त लेना. Permission इजाज़त लेना. Before पहले. Going जाना. To the washroom or to drink water. Drink पीना, water पानी. Dear students, how can we keep our school clean? Dear students, what should we do with the things we borrow? What should we do with the things we borrow? We should return things we borrow. We should return things we borrow. What should be done while going to washroom or to drink water? We have to ask permission. Okay? We should ask permission before going to the washroom or to drink water. Be polite and remember to use the courtesy words please and thank you. Be polite नरमी से नर्म रहें. Be polite यानी कि शाइस्ता रहें, नर्म रहें. And remember याद रखें. Remember mean याद रखें. To use the courtesy words. courtesy. courtesy mean खुश मिजाजी वाले, अच्छे अखलाक वाले वर्ड्स, अल्फाज. courtesy words प्लीज़ मेहरबानी, प्लीज़ एंड थैंक यू. थैंक यू शुक्रिया. Do not make fun of others. Do not make fun of others. Make mean बनाएं, fun मजाक, others दूसरों से. Do not make fun of others. Should we make fun of others? No, we should not make fun of others. No, we should not make fun of others. Raise your hand and wait for your turn. Raise उठाएं. Raise उठाएं. Your hand. Hand mean हाथ. And wait इंतज़ार करना. Wait इंतज़ार करना. For your turn अपनी बारी का. Turn बारी. Finish your work on time. Finish your work on time. Finish mean ख़त्म करना. Your work mean काम. On time वक्त पर. Keep your school clean by throwing the wrappers in a dustbin. Keep your school clean. School clean. Clean means साफ. By throwing फेंकना. The wrappers छिलके या कचरा. wrappers जो आपकी कैंडीज पर या आपके बबल पर जो रैप किया होता है उसको रैपर्स बोलते हैं. इन अ डस्टबिन किस में डालें वो? डस्टबिन में, कचरादान में. How can we keep our school clean? We can throwing wrappers in the dustbin to keep our school clean. Okay? How can we keep our school clean? By throwing the wrappers in a dustbin. Okay, next. During break time, play together and never push anyone. During break time. During दौरान. Break time जो आपका होता है. Play खेलें. Together इकट्ठे. And never mean कभी नहीं. Push धक्का दें. Anyone किसी को भी. At home time, queue up quietly. At home time घर जाने के वक्त. Queue up line up हो. कतार बनाएं. Quietly खामोशी से. Do at home time. We should queue up quietly at home time. What should we do at break time? During break time, play together and never push anyone. During break time, play together and never push anyone. Manners at the market. Market mean bazaar. Walk with your elders in the market. Walk mean चलें. Elders बड़ों के साथ. Your elders बड़े. Elders mean बड़े. In the market बाजार में. Do not throw wrappers in the shops and streets. Do not throw. Do not नहीं. Throw फेंकें. Wrappers या छिलके. In the shops दुकान में. and streets गलियों में. Streets mean गलियाँ. Do not run around. Run mean भागें. Run mean भागना. Around इर्द गिर्द. Listen to your parents and do not be stubborn. Listen सुने. Parents वालिदैन. And do not be stubborn. Stubborn, ziddi. Stubborn, ziddi. If you don't really need something. If you don't really need something. Really वाकई. Need ज़रूरत. Something किसी चीज़ की. Don't insist on buying it. Don't insist. Insist mean इसरार करना, जोर लगाना, force करना. On buying it. Buying खरीदना. Do not touch or pick anything without the permission of the shopkeeper. Do not touch. Touch mean छूना. Touch mean छूना. Pick उठाना. Pick उठाना. Without बगैर. Without बगैर. The permission. Permission mean इजाज़त. Permission इजाज़त. Of the shopkeeper. दुकानदार. Shopkeeper दुकानदार. Shopkeeper दुकानदार. What are the manners of visiting the market? Walk with your elders in the market. Do not throw wrappers in the shops and streets. Do not run around. Listen to your parents and do not be stubborn. If you don't really need something, don't insist on buying it. Do not touch or pick anything without the permission of the shopkeepers. These are the manners for visiting the market. Okay, students? So, students, today we have discussed about the manners at school and manners at the market. First of all, I am summing up my topic, that manners at school. Greet and respect your teachers. Share your things with your classmates. Return things you borrow. Listen to your teachers carefully. Ask permission before going to the washroom or to drink water. Be polite and say, and always remember to use the courtesy words please and thank you. Do not make fun of others. Raise your hand and wait for your turn. Finish your work on time. Keep your school clean by throwing the wrappers in a dustbin. During break time, play together and never push anyone. At home time, queue up quietly. Manners at market. Walk with your elders in the market. Do not throw wrappers in the shops and streets. Do not run around. Listen to your parents and do not be stubborn. If you don't really need something, don't insist on buying it. Do not touch or pick anything without the permission of the shopkeeper. So, students, now it's time to your homework. Note down your homework. Students, first of all, you have to read your page. Draw margin lines both on 4 sides. Write Friday, homework, 11th September 2020. Question number 2. Why should we always wash our hands before and after a meal? Why should we always wash our hands before and after a meal? Answer. We should always wash our hands before and after a meal because it's sunnah. Because it's sunnah. You have to write capital S here, okay? Sunnah, capital S, okay? Question number 3. What will happen if we do not queue up at home time? Answer. If we do not queue up at home time, there it will be disturbance. There it will be disturbance, okay? 2 questions are your homework. Do your homework on neat notebook and neat and clean, okay? Stay blessed, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.